Pawan. Guess what day it is today? Tuesday. And what does Tuesday stand for? Taco Tuesday. Tacos are like my favorite food other than butter chicken. And when I did the poll online, most of you voted tacos, and taco is what won. But I decided to drop the French bread pizza video first and decided to save this for the special Taco Tuesday. And so now we're gonna be cooking tacos today. From all my vegetarian lovers, I'll be cooking some vegetarian. It's also vegan meat. And then for my meat lovers, I'll be cooking ground turkey. You can also use ground beef and ground chicken, but I choose to use ground turkey because it's healthier and I just love it with ground turkey. So now we're gonna go ahead and start talking about the ingredients that go into this dish. All right, so now I'm gonna be naming off the ingredients that go into this dish. So we have cilantro, about half a cup. I have 1 cup of guacamole mixed with salsa. I make this at home, but I will be showing the recipe for this in another video. You can also use store-bought if you don't know how to make homemade guacamole. I have some cumin seeds from when I cook the ground turkey or the veggie crumbles. I have 1/3 cup of taco seasoning. I have half a cup of diced tomatoes. I have half of a large onion, diced. I have really finely diced lettuce. I have some white corn tortillas. So you could also use yellow corn or you could use the wheat tortillas. But I like to use the white corn tortillas for my tacos. I have some Mexican sour cream. Some Tapatio, gives us some great flavor. Some green salsa verde. I know I probably did not pronounce that right, but I just give it that weird accent. I've just been calling that since I was a little kid. And some olive oil for cooking the meat and the veggie crumbles. And these are the veggie crumbles. So I buy this from the store. It doesn't have to be this brand. You can get the veggie crumbles. Some are vegan, some are not. It doesn't matter. If you're vegan, yes, I guess it matters. If you're not, go ahead and get this. It's really good. It tastes just like the ground turkey does when I cook the ground turkey. I don't eat meat on certain days, so I end up using this. The family doesn't want to eat Indian food or something else. And I use ground turkey. I don't use the extra lean one. I feel like the extra lean isn't just as juicy. I use the normal ground turkey, just a little package. And so these are the ingredients for the tacos. And let's go ahead and get started with cooking the food. All right, so we're gonna put just a little bit of olive oil on the bottom to cover the bottom of the skillet. We're gonna put half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're gonna let that sizzle in for a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of onion. We're gonna cook this until it is brown. Give it about 5 minutes and we'll come back and take a look at this. All right, so the onions are done just like this, and they are perfectly gold and a little done. So now we're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 cup of the tomatoes. We're gonna add 1/3 cup of seasoning. This is all flavored up. It's time to add the veggie crumbles. It's a little bit dry if you notice, so I always like to add about maybe like 1/4 cup of just water in here to give it a little bit flavor. About 1/4 cup of water. Cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the heat and put this in a bowl ready to make the veggie tacos. All right, so the veggie crumbles are done. They're nice, cooked, full of flavor. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this out, and we're going to go ahead and start cooking the ground turkey. All right, so the skillet is heated again. We're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil on the bottom again, just to cover the bottom of the skillet. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let that sizzle in. Then we're gonna go ahead and add half of the large yellow onion into the mix. We're gonna cook this until it is brown and soft. Give it about 5 to 6 minutes and it should be done. All right, so the onions are done. They're gold and soft and ready to be mixed in with the turkey. So we're gonna add about 1/3 cup of tomatoes. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the ground turkey. So the ground turkey has been broken down and mixed into the onions and the tomato mixture. Now we're just going to go ahead and add 1/3 cup of taco seasoning and mix it right in. Now we're going to cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes until all the water on the bottom, like this, is evaporated and the turkey looks cooked. So give it about, like I said, 10 to 12 minutes and the turkey will be ready. So we'll come back in that much time and take a look at it. All right, so the ground turkey is done, nice and juicy, no extra liquids on the bottom. It is perfect and ready to be put into a bowl so we can start making those yummy tacos. All right, so we're gonna heat up the white corn tortillas. So I got my corn tortilla in here. We're going to butter it up just a little bit to make it soft. Just put a little bit of butter on it. And we're going to switch the side. Put butter on this side. We're gonna switch the side. Alright, so it seems like this is done. It's nice and buttery tortilla. Alright, so now we're gonna start making the veggie tacos. We're gonna start off by putting a good, nice, not too much, because if you put too much in the taco, it will break. Put a little good amount of the veggie crumbles we just made. Then we are gonna go off with the salsa verde. Add a little bit of tapatio. Then we're gonna add the lettuce. I feel like the lettuce just adds a little bit more of a refreshing taste to the taco. Gonna add the cilantro. Going to put just a little bit of the lemon juice on top. This is optional, you don't have to add this. I just love the taste of lemon juice. We're gonna add the guacamole. So this is the guacamole mixed with salsa. I feel like the salsa just gives it a little bit spice and taste and flavor. Add the sour cream. This is very optional if you want to add just a little bit of cheese on top. And I always like to top it off with Tapatio. And that there is the veggie taco. All right, so now we're gonna make the ground turkey tacos. I'm gonna take the ground turkey that we just made and again, put a nice line of the turkey. It looks so juicy. Then we're gonna add the salsa verde, the tapatio, the fine cut lettuce, some cilantro on top of that. I feel like cilantro is just an amazing ingredient. It does so much to the food you make. It gives it so much flavor and refreshing taste. So I'll just put a little bit of lemon juice. Again, the guacamole that I mixed with the salsa. Oops. The sour cream. You could use regular sour cream too. I just like to use the Mexican sour cream because I feel like it's a little bit more runny and not chunky, and it just tastes better for me. Add a little bit of crumbles of cheese, again optional. And top it off with Tapatio. So these are the two tacos, and this is the ground turkey one, and this is the vegetarian one. All right, so now that we're done making the veggie and the ground turkey tacos, we're gonna taste it. Like always, right? Could it be good or could it be bad? Let's see. I'm gonna try the turkey one because I love the turkey one. So let's try this. This is really good. The most important thing about when making tacos is you always have to make sure that the meat or the veggie crumbles is always juicy. If the meat isn't good, which is the base of the taco, the rest of the taco will not come out good. The tacos are amazing. I want to hear how you guys make the tacos. If you make the tacos, take pictures, put them in the comments below, or DM me on my Instagram, which is cookingwithpawan. And I would love to see how you guys make it. Tell me if it was easy, tell me if it was hard, what I could change, or if you added your own little twist to it, let me know what it was. Thank you for always supporting and loving me. I'll always leave my links below in the description box. And this was Amazing Taco Tuesday. And I just want to give a little shout out before I leave to this amazing t-shirt that I'm wearing. It's called Above the Hype. Make sure you go buy some t-shirts, sweaters, jackets, coats, hats. It's all awesome. I'll leave the link down below. It's called abovethehype.co. I will leave again the link to that on the bottom in the description box. Thanks for tuning in with me. Until next time, make sure to stay for our videos every Friday. Look at all them chickens. No, you look so weird when you're on camera. Look at all the turkeys. Well, I said turkeys. What did you think I said? The ground. So I know. Okay. And finish off. So